Failing to comply with VAT regulations in the UAE can result in fines as high as 50,000 dirhams. Do you want to know how to avoid these penalties? Well, in this video, I'll walk you through the key steps to keep your business safe. Hello and welcome to Emifast. I'm Arturo, your go-to expert for tax mitigation and business incorporation. Failure to comply can lead to hefty fines or even more serious penalties, so it's very important to understand and follow all the regulations. Let's start by understanding the basics of VAT in the UAE. Value-added tax, VAT, in the UAE is 5% tax applied to most goods and services, with a few exceptions. The Federal Tax Authority, FTA, is responsible for ensuring businesses comply with the VAT regulations. If your business meets the 375,000 dirhams annual revenue threshold, you must register for VAT within 30 days. Fines for breaking VAT rules can change from 1,000 dirhams to 50,000 dirhams depending on the severity of the violation. These fines may result from not registering from VAT, submitting late returns, providing incorrect information, or even failing to pay the VAT on time. In severe cases, tax evasion can even lead to jail time. To avoid fines, it's crucial to stay compliant with the VAT rules. Make sure to register for VAT as soon as your business crosses 375,000 dirhams threshold to avoid an automatic 10,000 dirham fine. Keeping details and up-to-date records for all transactions is essential, such as incomplete or inaccurate records can lead to fines starting at 10,000 dirhams. Filing your VAT returns on time is equally important, as late submissions may result in fines from 1,000 dirhams for the first offense and 2,000 for repeated delays. Additionally, keep all tax invoices accurate and issued within 14 days of supplying goods or services, as failing to do so can result in a 2,500 dirham fine. It's also important to stay informed about the VAT rates, such as knowing the difference between zero-rated and tax-exempt supplies, and understanding reverse charges for goods and services imported from outside the GCC. Correcting mistakes early can help reduce or even eliminate penalties. Addressing compliance issues before the FTA gets involved can significantly reduce or even eliminate fines. Being proactively not only helps avoid penalties, but also prevents lengthy tax audits and legal disputes, ultimately saving your business time and money. Staying up to date with the latest VAT regulations is key to maintaining compliance. Hiring a VAT consultant, for example, can provide expert guidance to ensure your business remains aligned with the rules and avoids unnecessary fines. By registering on time, maintaining accurate records, and keeping up with the UAE's VAT rules, you can protect your business from penalties and focus on growth. If you're looking for expert guidance with VAT regulations, Emifast is here to support you. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave your questions or thoughts in the comments below. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more topics like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.